to a place to go for a boat tour around the backwaters of India. It's called the Vega 2 Tours and it's run by the local government. And compared to the other tours which charge 700 to 800 rupees about an hour, this one is 500-600 rupees, and you've got the opportunity to be on a boat for about 5 hours, I think it is. There are 2 options and 2 classes of an AC room and a non-AC room. Actually for us, the non-AC room was the only one available. The next one was available on the 23rd of April, which is a week from now. But we should have some really good sights of the backwaters, what Alapura is known for. We're stood in front of the Vega Tours boat. Alternatively, you've got boats over there, so such as these ones here. So got the more traditional one there called Vellums. But over here, this is the boat we're going to be taking today. This is Bash. She's a celebrity in this place, I think. So random people keep coming up and taking videos and photos of her. It's even better because you're wearing the traditional Indian outfit as well.
Maybe that's why no one took pictures before. We're about to set off. There's 130 people on board. And definitely book before you get here so you get the air conditioned room because it's hot.
Ladies in the rickshaw behind us are bringing on food and water. So this is the Nehru Pavilion, and it is on this river where they have the boat games at Alapura. So on this, it's a massive event where a couple of boats from different areas, regions, all come here in Kerala to race. Here we go. We're taking a photo with these people. Huh? As part of the tour, we're going to be stopping on a small little island in the lake. Currently we're on a place called Padiramanal Island, and it is situated on one of the largest lakes in Kerala. So this little island is inhabited, and it does have a variety of rare animals, exotic bees, flies, all the rest of it. It was 40 rupees to get onto the island for 2 people, and the boat has stopped here for about 10-15 minutes, so we can just do a quick up and down tour of the island itself. Not really, no. After this, it was time to eat a traditional Kerala afternoon tea. Thank you. So we're leaving Padiramanal Island now, so the boat is departing. Bash, what do you think of the music?
It's very loud. It's good though.
Now obviously the ride would have been better if we were sat in the AC room, but at the same time, we're sat back here with an open window that you can, stick your camera out on and wave at the other boats or the other people at the underboats. It's been a great experience, I'm not gonna lie, and I would recommend anyone who is visiting Alapura to come out. The music's off. I would recommend anyone visiting Alapura to take, half a day out to come onto this boat ride and just jump on and have a bit of fun. So as we're pulling into Alapura Boat Jetty, which is where the boat docks, we can take one last opportunity to enjoy the houseboats that are on the water. But this ride so far has been so fun, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. The staff have been absolutely amazing. Each one of them comes up to you and talks to you and says hi to you. They've done it for all members of the people who are on the boat itself. So it's a shame that the boat tour is ending here, but we have been out for about 4.5 hours, and Daff is saying that because this is a government-funded venture, there's no marketing behind it. This is what these are providing is, it is run by the government. It's not for profit per se. Considering what the private companies were going to charge myself and Pash, this is a really competitive offering. So if you are ever in this area, make sure that you do stop here and have a visit.
Just before we got off, I had an opportunity to speak to the captain or the boatmaster of the Vega Tours cruise.
അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഉള്ള ഒരു ഫീച്ചർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സാധാരണ ഹൗസ് ബോട്ടിലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മറ്റേത് സ്വകാര്യ വാഹനങ്ങളിലോ പോകുന്നതിനേക്കാൾ ഇരട്ടി ദൂരങ്ങളാണ് കടന്നു പോകുന്നത്. കാരണം 24 മണിക്കൂർ കൊണ്ട് ഒരു ഹൗസ് ബോട്ട് എറൗണ്ട് ആലപ്പുഴ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എറൗണ്ട് കുട്ടനാട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 10 കിലോമീറ്റർ മാക്സിമം ദേ ആർ കവറിങ്. ബട്ട് വി ആർ കവറിങ് വിത്തിൻ 5 hours 50 കിലോമീറ്റർ. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ഒരു സഞ്ചാരി ആലപ്പുഴയിൽ എത്തിച്ചേർന്നല്ല, അദ്ദേഹം ആലപ്പുഴയിൽ കണ്ടിരിക്കേണ്ട എല്ലാ പ്രദേശങ്ങളും, അതായത് പുന്നമടക്കായൽ, വേമ്പനാട് കായൽ, പാതിരാമണൽ, കുമരകം, കുട്ടനാട്, പിന്നെ ഹോളി റിവർ, പമ്പ, ഇത്തരം സ്ഥലങ്ങളിലൂടെ കടന്നു പോകുന്നു എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ പ്രത്യേകത. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് വിജയകരമായി ഇത് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുന്നു. പുതിയ നൂതന സംവിധാനങ്ങൾ ടൂറിസം രംഗത്തേക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അടുത്ത വർഷത്തിലും അതിനടുത്ത വർഷങ്ങളിലൊക്കെ പുതിയ
ഓഫറിങ്സ്
അതെ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും എല്ലാവരും വരിക. ജസ്റ്റ് ഫീൽ ലൈക്ക് യുവർ ഫാമിലി ആൻഡ് ഫീൽ ദ റിയൽ സർവീസ് ഓഫ് കേരള ഗവൺമെന്റ്.
Okay, Captain, thank you very much. Thank you.
So we had a fun little interview at the end with a tour of the Vega boat. It's run by the government, so there's, as I said, there's not a lot of promotion, there's not a lot of marketing surrounding this boat. But again, if more people find out about it through videos like this, through people posting, the more opportunities this beautiful part of the world will have to introduce more services like this, and hopefully attract more people, more investment to the local economy. Because today, honestly, it's been absolutely unreal. You want to book tickets, book directly through the ticket office here, or I can put the number up on the screen at the moment. So hopefully you guys can enjoy what myself and Pash also experienced today.
I hope that you enjoyed our video today, and if you want to keep up to date with our travels, make sure to subscribe.